Hi guys, in front of me is POCO M5 and let me show you how to do fingerprint to this device. So if you wish to protect your device with fingerprint ID, open the settings at first, then find and select passwords and security, and here click on fingerprint unlock. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password. Let me choose pattern. You just have to be aware that if you forget the password, then you will have to reset the whole device. So it's worth to remember it. Let me write a letter, then re-enter it and confirm. And now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. So the sensor is over here. You can smoothly see it right here. It's on your power button. And now you just have to add your fingerprint by tapping on the sensor till it's fully added. You can observe the progress on your home screen. And that's it. As you can see from now on, you can unlock this device with this fingerprint or the backup pattern that you set. So smoothly enter the pattern and it can be also unlocked this way. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.